Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. So PCLN earnings, a complete flop, an all-out dump, a close near the low has us looking for further downside tomorrow. There was a nice bearish entry opportunity today. We dumped down to 1700. We bounced pre-market to 1750 on no volume. We cooled off the oversold hourly RSI. That allowed for further downside for the bears. So we opened and it was a complete dump since the open. Support is down at 1638, and after that level, I'm looking down at 1612 and 1600. Bears are in full control overall of this space. NVDA on the daily time frame, extremely strong. I just skipped PCLN completely in terms of... Let's go back. So PCLN, looking for a bounce, we have to see the hourly higher low and higher high form. This is significant. The weekly trend has changed. It is all lower highs, lower lows, all bears. So if you're trying to find an oversold bounce, I personally would give up the little bit of reward to eliminate a lot of risk to wait for a higher low and a higher high on the hourly time frame. Other than that, the bears have full control. NVDA new all-time highs, extremely strong. Earnings are Thursday. I expect the bulls to stay strong until Thursday. We might see some profit taking on Thursday. I would not be surprised to see that after the run-up we've seen over the last 2 weeks. But resistance is 212.90, 213, 213.50, 214, so on and so forth. Bulls in full control here, and the sector is certainly feeling the strength. We'll see if we get follow through, and certainly positioned well. If we get a bull reaction to earnings, all-time highs is a given. Tesla on the daily, higher lows trying to play out. So our most recent higher low, we held 299 today, bounced off 300, and resistance is 307.50 and 308.69. If we break 308.69, our target is 320.26, as we will be filling the gap with a lack of resistance. But we have to get over 308.69 as these daily exponential resistances are still present, and we have to hold the higher low for the bulls. If we lose the higher low daily pattern, the bears are right back in control. This is a potential bear flag on the daily time frame right now, and we could see follow through if we can't break and get above these exponential resistances. Weekly time frame trying to hold the 50-week moving average support. Clearly an inside bar is forming and a tightening range, and we will see if the bulls can follow through on any kind of bounce off the 50-week moving average support. Netflix on the daily, bearish reversal doji yesterday after a rejection from the upper Bollinger Band, some bearish sentiment with the Disney news, and follow through today. This is the first close below the middle Bollinger Band since our bull run after earnings. So we have the middle Bollinger Band support holding a half dozen times and being lost. We're closing below it. We also lost the higher low pattern of 195.22. Next support is down at 191.03 in order for the bulls to try and stay in control. Weekly time frame, tight trading, and there will be a clear bear break on the weekly if we break that 191.03 level. That's the lowest price we've seen in 5 weeks, so it's important for the bulls to hold that. Keep in mind this Netflix weakness is occurring without any consolidation in the tech sector. If the tech sector begins to pull back, we will look for the potential of Netflix to pull back even more significantly. It's the lead bear out of the main 5 names that I watch in the tech sector. CMG on the daily time frame, still very tight, still exponential resistance, fairly similar to what we're seeing on CMG, although this bounce, or I should say what we're seeing on Tesla, but this bounce has been playing out for about a week longer. Key support must hold 270.59. Key resistance that the bulls need to break, 280.83 to try and see this bounce play out and a bullish MACD cross and make our way to filling some of this gap. As of right now, though, it's still all bears. We are not confirming the bullish reversal candlestick from last week. Have to break 380.83, make that 280.83 to even start to confirm that candlestick. So a lot of work to do for these bulls, and this bull list, which has been so strong in 2017, is shifting. We have weakness in CMG. It certainly has not been strong in 2017, but we have weakness in PCLN now. A bearish trend is now taking over. Tesla has a bear trend on the weekly time frame thanks to earnings. Netflix breaking the bull trend on the daily time frame. So there is some weakness creeping in here. We want to make note of this in individual names and certainly not be trying to fight that trend. If we want to play bullish and stick with the market bulls, there's plenty of bull names still in uptrends like NVDA. But if we do see weakness in the market overall, the names that have already broken bearish are going to be at the top of our list for bear plays. I appreciate you watching, and we will see you tomorrow.